Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe my channel for new video. Natasha Nice is a popular French model and actress. She was born on July 28, 1988 in Paris, France. Natasha Nice is a famous model in this industry for her gorgeous looks and attractive figure. Natasha Nice got into this industry in 2006 and worked more than 13 years. Star name Natasha Nice, real name Natasha Nice, years active 2006 present. Age 33 years old, date of birth July 28, 1988, zodiac sign Leo, 62. Birthplace Paris, France. Nationality French. Height 5 feet 2 inches, 1.57 meters. Weight 52 kilograms, 115 pounds, body measurement 34 26 to 36. Relationship status single. Net worth $500,000, estimated. Natasha Nice height, weight and body measurements. Natasha Nice's height is 5 feet 2 inches, in meters, 1.57 meters, and her weight is approximately 52 kilograms, in pounds, 115 pounds. Natasha Nice has gray eyes and brown hair. Natasha Nice's full body measurement is 34-26-36, and she has a very beautiful slim type body. Also, model Natasha Nice doesn't have any tattoos on her body. Natasha Nice boyfriend, husband and relationship. Natasha Nice never shared her boyfriend, husband, or affair details. Currently, Natasha Nice is 33 years old. According to the media, Natasha Nice doesn't have any boyfriends or relationships. Natasha Nice's marital status is unmarried and relationship status is single. Natasha Nice career and profession. Natasha Nice is an actress and model. Her main profession is modeling. Natasha Nice started her film and modeling career at the age of 18 in 2006. Natasha Nice worked more than 13 years in this industry from 2006. Actress Natasha Nice became very popular over many years. Now, Natasha Nice is one of the most popular American models and stars. Natasha Nice net worth and income source. Natasha Nice's net worth is predicted to be $500,000. By profession, Natasha Nice is an actress and model, and her primary source of income is modeling. Natasha Nice parents and family. Natasha Nice's parents' names and family details are not available. Natasha Nice never shared her lives in Paris, France. Come on in, take a look and enjoy the video. Stay tuned for more new videos by subscribing to our channel and clicking on the bell icon. Thank you.